Hey guys, welcome back to Jeep Bo Beat. I've got a little bit different video for you today, and if you like videos like this, you should check out my other channel, D Wood Reviews. There will be a link down in the description. If you work on cars, you need to see this. I got this compact, cheap, but well-made smoke machine that I use for checking my evap system. This smoke machine can be used for checking your evap system, your exhaust system, your intake system, your engine system, all the systems on your vehicle that shouldn't have any leaks. In my case, I had an evap leak that I couldn't find and used it to find that near the charcoal canister. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. What I like about this thing is the price point is extremely low compared to other models out there and even what mechanic shops will charge. It has a very high output of smoke and only requires you to use a small amount of oil. It comes with smoke oil in the packaging, but once you run out, you can also just use basic baby oil. For the price, I found this thing to be extremely well built, like way above what you would expect. It comes with an aluminum nozzle so that you can fit it inside different size hoses. It also comes with basically jumper cables that hook straight to your battery so you don't have to have a separate power source, and those have a on-off switch, which I thought was really nice so that you don't have to disconnect it and connect it to the battery just to get power. One thing I really like about this tester is that it comes with its own regulator so that you can hook up any air source up to 200 psi, and this will regulate it down to 1 psi so it won't damage any of your systems in the car. As you can see here, I disconnected my evap system from the solenoid under the hood and pushed the nozzle into the hose. Air hose coming into the device here, canister with the oil in it, and then we've got our hose here going in to the evap. That's how much smoke it puts out. This thing works awesome. From there, it pushed smoke through the system, and I found at the rear of the vehicle near the charcoal canister that I had a leak there just before it goes in. This kept throwing a check engine light code every couple days. I bought this tester for 1/3 of the price that a mechanic shop was going to charge me just to do the smoke test. If you could use one of these, go ahead and click the link down in the description and get yourself one.